Okay, so before you watch the Pandora video, know that, first of all, most importantly, I filmed a lot of the B-roll in this video. I'm actually really proud of that. There were only a few people left in the lab since when we had to bag the robot on the last day we could work on it before competitions. There was a massive snowstorm, and we only had half an hour before the school kicked us out. Once they only gave us half an hour of notice. So I just kind of grabbed my old manual lens, is all I had in my camera that day, and I tried to take some nice B-roll of our fancy LEDs, and I think it looks nice. So I was excited that I got to make it into the video. But then beyond that, you can see that the robot, the control board is kind of underneath the intake, the cube intake, and it's even smaller than it was on Han Solo the previous year. So you have to move a lot of motors and motor controllers and other components to different parts of the robot, which means things would move. So you can see the elevator and the whole intake had a claw and moved up and down. It actually went 7.5 feet up. So we had to really manage the wires, and because of this complexity, we took a little bit more time with the robot, but we still did really well. And even though the robot was so complex, it was the first year in team history where we had no major issues. Like the robot didn't lose huge, half of its drivetrain, or the elevator stopped working, or it lost communication. It worked essentially fine in terms of electronics the entire tournament season. So I'm really proud of our team there. So yeah, now we'll be moving on to computer engineering.